Our salt spray test chamber is my BOTO tool for ensuring the sturdiness of our outdoor pet product. Hardware: think the metal frames of dog runs, the latches on outdoor cat shelters, and the hinges on pet food storage bins. These parts don't just face rain and wind, they're also exposed to pet saliva, which has mild corrosive properties, spilled food, and even salt from winter sidewalk dacing that gets tracked onto them. Pepping the tests means paying extra attention to pet-proof details. I pick samples of chur-resistant frame bars, rust-resistant latches, and sealable bin hinges, wiping each down to remove any factory oils that might hide weak spots. I mount them on the chamber's plastic racks at a slight tilt. Sure, the areas where pets nudge or lick, like latch handles and frame corners, get foam mist coverage. For standard tests, I use a 5% salt solution and 35°C. Running cycles for 288 hours, enough to mimic a year of outdoor use, including messy mealtimes and snowy winters. For parts sold in cold climates, I sometimes add a tiny bit of calcium chloride to the solution to up a good deacer residue. The chamber always reveals what real-world use will uncover. A batch of rust-proof dog run frames once looked great after 150 hours, but by 200, small rust spots popped up on the weld sterns out. The welding flux hadn't been fully cleaned off. We adjusted our post-weld process, and the next test had the frames staying smooth for 400 hours. Last month, the new stainless steel cat shelter latch I tested survived 500 hours with zero corrosion, even when I simulated pet wear by lightly scraping it before testing. Now, it's our top pick for coastal and cold weather areas. This machine isn't just about testing metal, it's about keeping pets safe. Pet owners trust that outdoor gear will hold up. Whether it's a dog run that won't bend or a food bin that won't rust shut, knowing every part has passed this chamber's test lets me promise that reliability. It's not glamorous, but when a customer says their pet's shelter is still solid after 2 winters, that's when I'm glad this quiet machine does its job.